Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another diamond painting unboxing to share with you. This one is actually a Christmas present for my husband, so I'm glad I got it now. It does look a little beat up inside. It came wrapped in like an air pocket envelope type thing. It's like all air pockets, but the canvas inside looks like it got a little bent up, so I'm hoping it's okay. So we are going to get this out. There are some drills stuck to the tape at the bottom. There's some loose drills in here. This is very, very beat up, and there are loose drills, it looks like. So this, yeah, there's quite a few loose drills in the bag. One of them must have busted open. I'm going to have to be very careful when I open these. I'm going to stick these right here. As you can see, that is the picture. And it does come with a checklist, so I'm glad of that. You can see how many colors are in here. A lot of black. I am not going to open the drills on camera because of all of the loose ones. I will leave that for later. So yeah. All right. We've got our usual little kit. Nothing spectacular. I am very disappointed. I don't know if you can see that. I'm very disappointed about that. Hopefully I can stick it under my mattress and get it to flatten out. This is a very, very large one. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the whole thing or not. Let's see. There we go. It is, there is the picture and the key. It does not have the size on here. I am going to, let's see if I can get the, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so the symbols are pretty clear as far as, oh yeah, they're pretty clear. I mean, that's not an issue at all. You can see, but you can see all of the wrinkles. I mean, it is pretty bad. I'm hoping the sticky stuff's still on there. There are some, it looks like there's, could possibly be some bubbles right here. Might have to get those popped, but the symbols are clear. They're just really small. This is a very large, let's see if I can get this to lay down properly or not. It is very, yeah, see there's, let's see. It's very large, and so it's a little harder to do. Let's see if I can turn it upside down real quick and do it this way. Might have an easier time with it. There we go. There we go. Let me get this side open. It does kind of feel like the paper is, when you first go to pick it up, yeah, looks like there's a couple of bubbles in there. I'm gonna have to take off, but I'm not gonna be able to show the picture on camera because it's not. And there's some more loose drills. Of course, it would have to be the black that's loose, because, you know. And this will be my first square. Unfortunately, there are some bubbles. Yeah, there are some bubbles in here. The stickiness feels good though, and all of that looks good, but I'm just really disappointed in all of the little creases and marks and everything in here, and this paper is wanting to rip. And it feels like the glue is like, when you first go to pick it up, the glue is wanting to stick to the paper. Yeah, see right here, this one, there's a really bad wrinkle, and you can actually see, you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but you can actually see, and over here, that the glue is actually separated from the canvas. So I don't think you're going to be able to see it on the camera very good, but there's actual spots where the glue is separating from the canvas. Now, once I get it flat, I'm hoping that won't be an issue. But right now, with the wrinkles, it is not the greatest. But this thing is huge. I'll have like all the dimensions for it in the description. I think it was a 60 by 90, I want to say. Let me see if I can look it up real quick. But yeah, it was, it's, you know, this here. Let's see if I can get that out. That is the picture. So it's the two dragons, Fire and Ice. And it is incredibly huge. Let's see if I can figure out. Here we go. It was a, yes, it was a 60 by 90. There's a better picture. There we go. There's a good picture of it. That is what the picture looks like. And it is a full square. As you can see, let's see if I can get that to focus. Here we go. Those are the squares. They are absolutely tiny. And I'm hoping, because they look, even though they look so tiny here, they actually look bigger than the square that they are supposed to go on. So I might have an issue with that. I'm hoping not, but we shall see, I guess. I could only find it in the square, otherwise I would have gotten round. But, and you know, I don't know how to do the customs yet, but as you can see, I mean, it's pretty big. It is really big. And there are, let's see if I can do this without losing more. Yeah, okay, it shows it here. It's a 60 by 90. It does not, let's see. There's the key for it, and it's 9, 12, 15. 39 colors, so not too bad. The one I'm doing right now has 40 colors, so 39 colors I can handle. It's just really big. And like I said, it is square, so that's going to take a little bit longer, but yeah. So there you go. I'm going to open these drills up off camera. I'm going to try and get all the black ones back in the bag, whichever bag busted open. Hopefully none of the bags busted and it was just a bunch of drills that got in there somehow. I don't know. But yeah, so that is what I got. And I have started working on my lion one, and you can see, let's see, that is my lion. It's a little glare, but that is the little section that I started on, and in that little section had 21 colors, so a lot of colors. And you can see my little canvas there, so it's gonna take a while, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys that before my husband gets home, because, you know, I want this to be a surprise for him. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. I will have all of the information linked below for this painting. This one did come from, I don't remember the store. It starts with, I think it was Zooya, but I'm not 100%. But I'll have all that information down below, so you guys can check it out if you want. And yeah, I will let you guys go, and I'm going to go get this hidden away. So I will see you guys later. Bye.